Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to share with you a haul that I did at the Bead Factory. And this is the Bead Factory, and here's the address for the one in LA. And also they opened up another location in the city of La Palma, which if you guys aren't familiar with that, La Palma's like the next city from Buena Park, which is like Knott's Berry Farm. So I took the day off because these locations, the LA location and the new one in La Palma, it's only open Monday through Friday from like 8 to 3. So I took a couple days off because it is my daughter's spring break this week. So I took the chance to go to the Bead Factory. Now, a few things about this new location. The new location, as I said, is in La Palma. It's a huge location. It's a big location, and there's free parking. And what else? Free parking. The location is huge. The store is so spacious inside. You have a lot of elbow room, unlike the one in LA. The one in LA, everything is like condensed into one store. But this new location it's kind of like a warehouse, and everything is just spread out. So that's a good thing. But another thing is I wanted to point out is when we got there, they said we only had 15 minutes to shop, you guys. So that is the downfall for that. But so it kind of was like we were, I met Tammy there, and we were rushing at the beginning because we were like, oh my gosh, we only have 15 minutes. How is it possible for us to shop 15 minutes? And I'm telling you, though, it's like from ceiling to floor, there's nothing but beads and findings and things like that. So it was so difficult. So I felt rushed. So all in all, would I go down there again? Probably not. I probably would just go ahead and go to downtown LA, beat the traffic, pay for parking, deal with the homeless. I'd rather go to downtown LA than to go to the new location, because I mean 15 minutes. They did, however, let it slide for us, and we got to shop longer, but still the fact is they tell you 15 minutes. There's no way you can get to everything in 15 minutes. So yeah, I would rather go down to the Bead Factory in LA. So yeah, and the Bead Factory is also known as the Bohemian Crystal. Same store, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what I picked up, because I did pick up a few things. So the first thing I wanted to show you are these beads. When we first walked in, we started on one part of the store and found these beads, and they are so gorgeous. They're $150, and I think there's 30 in here. That's what I'm assuming is this means 30. So let me just pull them out. And look at how gorgeous. They're transparent, and then they have like gold. And this is, I want to say this was, I thought it was blue from what it looked like, but now that I'm looking in my lighting here at home, it's like a dark gray. But either way, they're so gorgeous. Let me see, I have a bubble gum here. So this is what the size of my bubble gum bead that I have from Hobby Lobby, and then this is the size. So it's pretty, it's a good size. I think it's the next size. I'm not sure what the next size down from the bubblegum beads, because these are 20, and I'm not sure what the next size down, maybe 18. So yeah. So I picked it up in this color, and then this is supposed to be a clear, but it also looks like a lighter shade of gray. So, and this has silver in it. But I thought that was really gorgeous. It has like a floral print on it. I picked it up in those two colors, and then they had a few different colors, but this is the one that I chose and preferred. But look at how gorgeous the pink is. The pink with the gold, right? So they had different colors, different shapes. So I decided to get these ones as well as this, and look at how gorgeous these are. So pretty. Let me just show you what these beads look like. And that's what they look like. So gorgeous. And they do have the hole right there to the side. So look at how gorgeous that is. I've never seen these before, so I'm glad I picked them up. I was trying to control myself because I could have easily spent $200. So picked up that, and then I also picked up these little Hello Kitty charms. They were $1.50 for 2 pieces, and they had a whole bunch of them. They kind of look like what do you call a faux Hello Kitty kind of, but I thought these colors were fun, so I picked that up. And then I picked this one up, and I picked, let's see which one. Okay, I picked this one up, and I love the colors on this one, but now that I'm looking at it, what the heck is on its head? Isn't that supposed to be like a bow? So because of the fact that I was rushing because we had 15 minutes, I didn't realize, like, what the heck is that on her head? But I love the colors of it with the blue and then the pink and then the yellow. So yeah, I picked that up. And then I picked up these. These are really cute. They're Hello Kitty heads and they're bells. There's 2 pieces for $2. I thought that was really cute, so I picked that up. And then I picked up some findings. These were 50 pieces for $1.50 for gold and silver. And they are like the, I'm not sure what you call them. They're they connect to, you know, that crystal, it's hard to explain. Erica, if you're watching, you know what I'm talking about, but they connect to the crystal chain, as supposed to, like I don't know, it's hard to explain, but I picked up these things, which connect to, yeah. It's hard to explain, but anyways, yeah, I picked those up. I can't think it's gonna bother me for the rest of the day. And let's see what else. And then I picked up these. These are some beads, 50 grams of beads. These are like the AB, and then these are the regular ones. And these are kind of like a donut. Let me see. Let me open it without everything falling out. But they're kind of like a donut bead. Like they're good for spacers. So they're like a bead but smashed. See, and you can use them as spacers. So I got them in the clear and then the ABs. And this one, I believe this one's bigger. These are bigger than these ones. So picked that up for, this one was $1.75 and this one was $1.50. And then I also picked up some of these flat back bling. So there's 2 different sizes. So that's why this one is $2.65. And then this one is $1.75 for the smaller pieces because there's more. So pick those up. And then I also picked up these. You guys saw in my last downtown video, I picked something similar, but they were all pearls. There was no bling in it. It was just all pearls. And look at this. I found these. So there's 5 pieces and this bag was $2. So I picked up that. And then I picked up another type, which is a bow, but it's a different type of bow. Look at how gorgeous. Isn't that so gorgeous? And it's just like a felt backing. So again, this one also has 50 pieces for $2. And then getting to my beads, my strands. So my goal was to pick up things that I do not have. I have like a lot of regular beads, faceted beads, regular beads, and I wanted to make sure that I get different type of beads for jewelry making or for, like, you know, to make dangles. And I wanted to get different colors and different textures, so that I did. So they had these in different sizes and different colors, and it is like a flower bead. Look at how pretty. And this was $1. All the ones you see with no tag on, I believe, is $1, but I'm not sure because some of them didn't have tags on them. So I got these beads. These are different. I have nothing like this. Why is my hands dirty? And they're kind of like a glass bead, and they're pink, and they have like gold flecks in it. So I picked up a strand of that one, and then saw this last year, and when I went to the Bead Factory, I totally forgot to look for it. But it's like a fuzzy, velvety heart bead. And they had different colors as well. And I was going to get the red one, but I decided to just to get one. And this was $1.25. And this is like a darker pink, like a magenta color. So I picked that up. And then I picked more of these faceted hearts, only because I do not have these colors. And these were $4.25 each. So I got them in the black and in this it's like a really light pink and the red. I have different colors of these. You guys see me haul these before, but I just didn't have these colors. So I decided to get those colors. And then I also picked up some crackle beads. Look at how gorgeous those are. These crackle beads, I'm not sure. I want to say they were $1 or something like that. It was really cheap, but just say FYI, don't drop them because they do break easily. Because Tammy, they had already made bracelets using the crackle beads, and she accidentally dropped it, and it busted and broke everywhere. So yeah, so I don't have very many like yellows and greens and clears. So I decided to get these colors. Again, remind you, everything they have is like from floor to ceiling. If you haven't gone to the Bead Factory in downtown LA, it's the same thing here. So got these beautiful beads. I tried to stay away not to, get the normal colors. Like I normally get grays. I normally get pinks. I normally get blues. So I try to get something different textures, as you can see so far. And then I got these faceted clear yellow beads. These are so gorgeous. They're like a donut bead again. And what I mean by donut is like they look flattened a little bit. They're not like super round. So I thought this was a pretty yellow. So I have like different types of yellows here that I could work with. Isn't that gorgeous? So got that. And then here are $1.25 beads. I wanted to get more of these, but I said, no, just get these two colors. So I got the turquoise and the yellow. And then I got more of these like fall looking beads. But the thing I like about them is the texture of them, and they all look so different. So I don't have a whole lot of these color beads here. So this would make a really cute bracelet. So I picked that up. And then this one's a long one. This one was $2, but look at how gorgeous. This is it's kind of like a pearl, kind of, but it has like these textures on the beads that I love. And this one's a pink one, like a light pink, because they had different colors again. Different colors. Every color you want, they got it. So I picked up that, and then I also picked up this. This reminds me like of a jade, but it's like it looks like a glass bead with crackle in it. It's so gorgeous. This one was $1.75. So I picked up that one. And then I wanted to get more like whites and blacks. So I picked up these. They're different sizes and different prices. This one is $2.25. And this is a bigger size. This is a 12 millimeter. And then I also picked up, this one's like a more marble color, marble style. This is a 10 millimeter for 85 cents. And this one, I love this one. This is one of my favorite beads that I got. This one was $1.75. Look at how gorgeous that is. What size is this? 10 millimeter. And then this one is 95 cents for 8 millimeter. Look at, so these are like different textures and sizes, and I love it. I think I did a good job of going in, knowing what I wanted and actually buying it instead of buying something totally different. So I got those, and then these ones are totally different. I have nothing like it. And these were $1.25. And look at, they remind me of like circus beads, right? So these are different beads, or different color beads that I decided to get. Have nothing like that. So I picked picked that up. And then these are their check beads. Basically, they're like glass beads. So I got this one. This one is like a clear, and it's the moon and the stars. And like I said, they're all glass. The check beads are glass. And then look at how gorgeous these would make. Cute, cute dangles. They're like flowers. Like, I know you saw those ones. They sell them at Michael's, but these are glass. And they had different colors, but I decided just to get this white color. And then I got these little hearts. And these are still check beads. So, got that one in the black. Got it in the white. And then got it in the clear. These look tinier. And then also got them in the bigger size, which they all came off of the string. So I got a bigger hearts. So got those. The check beads are more expensive because they're glass, and this was $5 for this one. And then these didn't. They go by the weight. For the check beads, they go by the weight, so that's why they don't have prices on it. So those are those ones. And then I got some clear beads as well, different sizes and different type of clear beads. So they're $1.25. Most of them $1.25, $2.25. Which is this? $1.50. So that's what those look like. Can't have enough of those. And then I picked up some black beads as well, which I intended to do when I went there. So I did get some faceted beads in different sizes. I got these big matte, they're matte beads, and then just like regular beads right here. And they're in different sizes as well. This one says it's $2.25. That one doesn't have a price. That one doesn't have a price. And then this was 85 cents for these. So that one. And then if you guys are into crystals and like precious stones, I did get some for my daughter and I. We're going to make bracelets, or for myself to make bracelets, because I normally buy mine at the crystal shop that I go to, and they're already made. So I was able to find these there, and I have never thought to look for them there. So I got a quartz, and these are a little bit more expensive. This was $5.50 for the 8mm quartz, but I was super excited to have these, so I don't have to go to the crystal shop and buy them already made. I would rather make them. So I got it in that one, and the pink howlite. Look at how pretty. And then I got them in, these are called agate. So I got it in this color. I'll just show you what it looks like on my arm. And this was $9 for 8mm. And the way that you know that they're the precious stones, you know, the crystal, is they're cold. So that's how you know, because the regular beads, they don't feel like really nothing, but these ones are like super cold. So I got it in this color, and they were both $9, and I got it in this color because you guys know I got to do with the blue. Love the blue. So I got that, and then I got it in an Amazonite. Look at how pretty. So those of you who are into crystals and bracelets, go to the Bead Factory because they do have these precious stones. So I got it in that, and then, oh, I have one more. And then I got this one. And I also got these ones. These are the howlites, but they're howlite or holite. I'm not sure. But these are precious stones, and I got them like in this style type. I forgot. These do have a name. They're not like regular beads. So these were, and all of them I think were 25% off. So they were $3. And it's like, they give you a lot of these. So I'm going to make bracelets with these. So yeah, this, you guys, is my yummy Bead Factory haul. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now.